Pretty cool.
We made it to the top of the mountain in less than 30 minutes. Beautiful view, great scenery, the breeze, great adventure.
I want to take that so bad. Look how tiny it is. What? We did it!
Now we are at Ostrich Farm. Don't get too close this one.
And you start running at a certain point, they will stop. Turn the neck 100. Camera ready?
Yeah.
Come with me. Just walk straight to the front, to the front, to the front. A little bit more. There you go.
Wow.
That boy hungry.
The other one can't.
That boy hungry.
Now you can see that he wants to eat. Let mama eat. Because it's mating season. So she needs to have more.
So it's the males that turn red?
All the blood flow will go up and down.
Oh.
Got it.
How happier, the redder.
Oh, okay.
The whole thing?
I think so.
We are giving them 5 pounds normally out of mating season. And you get to enough tall to let all the food going down. Because normally they eat the small stones to digest the food in the gizzard.
You might have to get closer.
Okay.
Oh, I think. Oh, you gotta get close. Ooh! Oh! That's the thing too.
Yeah. Because the thing is, if she cannot go, and I will say all the food is on that side, she cannot. That's his. His wings are going up. So look all the seconds.
If the ostrich ever running after you, that's what you
But the thing is, without the breathing, it's fire. You see the gray house over there? Yeah, hey, hello.
Did it all in one bite. Do it again?
Well, give me some of my hand. Oh, that one's running, cousin.
Here you go, Ronsah.
This one's running, child. I don't want this one.
I want this one.
You guys are mean. Let it eat. No,
Give
it's
it to
the
this
way
one.
it's running, though. Aw, see?
Oh, I didn't even get to put my hand down. He just spit
Look,
out.
this one's coming too. You see that? I'm cooking you.
All of them are coming down.
Oh, this person might. Yo, I need space before I put it. No, stop. This one's coming too. Oh. Wait, I don't know which one. Mommy, come closer. Wait, yo, this one's getting. Wait.
got no food. I'm so sorry.
Oh, that was funny. The other one. It just kicked. It was kicked the other one. Look at my phone.
Oh my gosh, they're everywhere. I don't have
Daddy
no.
should have came. Hold it real quick. Because those things were running after.
Oh yeah.
Let's find a nice one.
At Philip's Garden. And we are.
Look, the part where we said.
Aww. Cousin, can you record me? Feed one real quick. Yeah, watch your finger.
Look.
Cousin, can you feed that one?
Let's not even get a video like the birds.
I got you, buddy. Okay.
That's what I'm saying, those turtles though. Oh,
I was a little bit scared.
that one's really daddy. Aww.
Did there need someone but give the black one?
Yo, I need a picture here before we leave. Hey, pretty horses.
Oh, I think it's because eating when I try to give it to him. Is that a different one? The same one? I didn't expect that. I recorded it too. Oh, you scratch, bro. What happened?
This one. This one's mad. Daddy, look at this one. It's mad. What happened, cousin?
You can dab me up. Look. Oh, you don't like me no more.
Oh, fast, guys. Ooh, cousin, I got it when he walked off too. That's crazy.
I'm gonna try to eat the cup.
Getting ready for a quick swim at our Airbnb. Bye.